Students, pay attention. This is Suryan sir, and we are taking a new topic, that is the adverbs and their kinds. Are you getting, students? We have taken new topic, that is the adverbs and their kinds. So, what is the definition of this topic? Adverbs modify the verb, adjective, or another adverbs. Keep in mind what is the definition of this topic. I will say adverbs modify the verb, then adjective or another adverbs. So students, there are kinds of adverbs are there, you know very well, and also we had taken this topic last year, but doesn't matter, we will learn it today. So kinds of adverbs are here. So first one is adverbs of time, then second one is adverbs of place, then third one is adverbs of manner. So there are more adverbs, but we will take only thrice today. So first, adverbs of time. So students, pay attention. Adverbs of times, it denotes the time of action done by the verb. So students, it means this adverbs of time denotes, what does it denotes? That action done by the verb. Action done by the verb. So it is indicated. So this action is indicated by the adverbs of time. So here you can see the example. What that the train leaves before noon. Are you getting, students? Example, the example of the adverbs of time, that is the train leaves before noon. So it means that this leaves, this is the verb, this verb done the action, isn't it? Where? Before noon. You can see before noon. Therefore this is the adverb of time. Are you getting, students? That before, it is the before is the adverb of time. You can see that what is it, what does it denote? Adverb of time, that denotes the time of action. Time of action. The train leaves before noon. So it means that train made an action before noon. So this word before modifies to whom? To the leaves. It means that is the verb. Then another sentence is here. He exercises daily. Are you getting, students? He exercises daily. It means that subject makes an action every day, isn't it? Daily means the every day. So therefore what? This word modifies the verb, and this is the exercises is the what? Verb, and these exercises was modified by whom? By the daily, which is the adverbs of time. So then next, that is the adverbs of place. So students, adverb of place, it denotes the place of action. Here, pay attention. Adverb of place denotes the place of action. So here, place of action. So we can we will see the example. The dog enter in the school. Students, the dog enter in the school. So which is the place? That is the school, isn't it? So this is the place. So what happened here? That in, this is the adverb of place. Are you getting? Which is the place? That is the school, that is the place, and this in, this word, this adverb modifies the enter. Modifies the enter. Enter, that is the word, that is the verb, isn't it? And place is the school. So this in, that is the adverb place, modifies the enter, that is the verb. Then next, water was spilled everywhere. Water was spilled everywhere. So it means that this spilled, this verb was modified by the everywhere. Are you getting? Water was spilled everywhere. So it means that adverb of place, everywhere, that is the adverb of place, and this adverb place modify the spilled, that is the verb. You can see this spilled, isn't it? Then third one is adverbs of manner. Student, third one is adverse of manner. So here adverse of manner denotes how an action takes place. Adverse of manner denotes how an action takes place. मतलब जो action है वो किस तरीके से होती है. So here example we can say the soldiers fought bravely. Are you getting, students? Soldiers fought how? Bravely. So this bravely modifies the fought, that is the verb, isn't it? An action happened, how? That is the bravely. So this is the adverb. This adverb modifies the fought, that is the verb. Then the boy spoke boldly. The boy spoke boldly. So here action happened, but how? But how? That is the boldly. It means that this boldly modifies the verb, that is the spoke, isn't it? So adverse of manner denotes how an action takes place. So first, in first sentence that soldier fought bravely. So this bravely adverse of manner that modifies the fought. Then in another sentence that is the boy spoke boldly. This boldly, that is the adverse of manner, modifies the spoke, that is the verb. So students, I hope you might have understood. If suppose you get any difficulty over this topic, you can consult me on the group. So students, stay safe, stay home, don't go anywhere.